Hey guys, welcome back to SVB Creator. In this video, I'll be showing you all get ready with me for a very simple function. So this whole attire, this outfit and jewelry, I've got it from Amazon for around 1500 rupees. As you guys know, in Amazon prices keeps on fluctuating, but then definitely you can get it for around like 1500, 1600 rupees. Now in this video, I'll be showing you guys a very simple makeup look which suits for especially like ethnic wear, and also at the end of this video I'll be showing you all full on outfit details with the prices. Okay, now let's start. First of all, I'm applying a face mist. It is from Good Vibes. It is jasmine face mist. It smells so good. Now for lip balm, I'm gonna apply Nivea lip balm. So it has got a very nice tint of color, which is really nice, and also it's quite moisturizing as well. For moisturizer, I'm gonna use this Neutriderm moisturizer, which is really nice. I've been using it for almost a month and I absolutely love it. The best part of this moisturizer is that it hydrates our skin really well. At the same time, it doesn't make our skin oily at all. It is perfect for almost all skin type. I am of like dry skin, dry to normal skin, and I feel that it is a perfect moisturizer for me. It does hydrate my skin really well. At the same time, it doesn't makes my skin oily at all. So I'm just massaging it into my skin really well. I just take good like almost 1 minute to massage it into my skin. Once it is done, it's really good. I absolutely love it. It's an Australian brand, and I'll be leaving the link down in description box in case if you guys want to check it out, you can. So once it is done, we can definitely go for primer. It's optional. It depends upon like your like the place you are living. Um, if it is a humid and hot place, I would recommend you guys to go for a primer. Here I'm using a silicone primer, which is from Purplle. From obviously I got it from Purplle. So I'm just applying it to my face, but I'm focusing more on my T-zone area because that's where I sweat most. And for foundation, I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 mousse foundation. I really like this foundation because there is no need to use any brushes or sponges. It's in very nice mousse consistency. You can very easily blend it with our fingers itself. So I'm just using my fingers. I'm just blending it, and as you guys can see, it blends very easily. And also I'm like quite surprised that I have got the shade which matches to my skin tone, and that too from Lakme, which is quite surprising, right? Now for compact powder, again it's from Lakme. I think it's the shade Almond. I'm not sure though. Anyways, all the details will be there in description box. And this is Wet n Wild powder brush. And then for blush, I'm using this blush from Sugar. It's really nice movie color. Actually, I'm using it as eyeshadow, and I'll be using the same as my blush as well. It's a very nice movie pink color, so it's perfect as blush as well as eyeshadow. Now for eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Sugar again. So it's a very good eyebrow pencil because the tip is actually in a slanting way, so we can actually draw our eyebrows perfectly, and also it has got a spoolie. Now for eyeliner, I'll be using this gel eyeliner from Moda. You can use any eyeliner, liquid liner like Kajal, whatever your preference is. This gel eyeliner is quite good. Actually, it's not darkest black, but then it stays quite some time. Now I have applied it to my what lash line as well. Upper lash line as well as lower lash line, I've drawn a very small wing, very small. That's what I prefer. I like my eyes to look like bigger, not like longer. Okay, that's the reason I don't go for like very wing liner. Now with this Stay Quirky golden not yeah, it's a golden color ka kajal. I'll be like highlighting my inner corners and also brow bone, so that just pops out. Now I'll be tightlining my eyes as well, and then I'll be applying good 2 to 3 coats of mascara. This mascara is from Purplle. it's actually not that great mascara, but then it's a okay product. And now I'm gonna contour my nose using the same eyebrow pencil. You can definitely use any contour product if you want, any bronzer as well, but then since it works well, if you do not have a contour product, you can definitely use your eyebrow pencil and contour your nose, jawline. It works actually. Now for blush, I've used the one from Sugar, the same one which we have used for our eyeshadow. So applying like just a bit of that color and then blending it very well. For lipstick, first lipstick I'm taking us from this I-Amsterdam lipstick. Actually, it's a okay lipstick. It's not that great. I didn't like the texture, so I'll be going over it with Miss Claire one. Miss Claire is my all-time favorite. It's really good. Texture is really good. It's very affordable, and it's very comfortable as well. Since it was looking a little glossy, I just blotted it with a tissue paper, so that gives a matte look. Now for highlighter, I'll be using the one from Wet n Wild. It's really good one. This highlighter is really good. It's not like blinding highlighter. It's kind of a natural, within a glow kind of highlighter. With that, our makeup is done. Now let's move on to hairstyle. So first I'll be applying a little bit of hair serum so that my hair is tangle free and a little bit more manageable. And then for hairstyle, I'll be doing a very simple French braid. So for that, first I'll be taking like two sections. So I have taken middle partition. Obviously, if you want, you can also go for side partition as well. And then start braiding your hair. So what we have to do is we need to add on hair while we are braiding. So it's very simple and basic French braid. Actually, here I have gone for a fishtail braid, and then what I do is just pull it from side so that it gives a nice voluminous look, especially for people who have very fine hair, thin hair like me. It works really well. And also taking a very thin strand of hair from that tail, and then just wrapping it around my hair tie so that that hair tie is not visible. It gives a neat look actually. So this is a final look. Now we will get on to the outfit details. So as you guys can see, this is the jewelry. Actually, this jewelry set has got two neck pieces and one earring, and this two neck pieces earring, actually it costed 450 rupees for me, but then right now it's 499 rupees. Still, I would say it's worth. You get two necklaces and one set of earring, which is really great. And then we have got this bangle actually has got some kind of like ruby stones. Obviously not the ruby one, but then I'm telling you guys, it's not rain stones. It's kind of ruby stones, and it was for like actually it was for around 250 rupees when I got it, but then right now it is 299 rupees. And this sari is a very actually very thin material, so also it is kind of a stiff sari. It's not very soft flowing sari, so it might not go very well for like healthy people, but then if you are on a like a slimmer side, I think this sari would look really good. But then obviously it's completely your choice. If you want to wear this sari, obviously go for it. But then I really like it for the fact that it's plain sari. That's what I really love about it, so that we can pair it with any kind of blouse, especially contrast one. So I've got the one actually pink sari, and it has got a very thin golden border to it. It's just for 199 rupees, so it's really worth for the money. Actually, it's a kind of steal, I would say. And now this blouse, I absolutely loved the blouse, especially this green blouse. I really loved it. Actually, I've got two blouses this in the same pattern. One is in blue, but then that blue blouse ka material, it's not that good, but then this green one is really good, you guys. It's just for like 689 rupees, I would say. Yeah, somewhere around like 650 rupees. It's really good, especially you get ready-made stitched blouse. It's high neck blouse, which is so much in trend right now. obviously I had to alter, but still I would say I really loved this blouse. It's absolutely like beautiful, especially this green one. I really loved it. Altogether I got it for 1500 rupees, but then right now, as I have shown you guys a screenshot, that is the actual price. That would cost around 1600 something. Still I would say it is worth. So if you guys like it, please do check out my description box. I'll be leaving all the links. That's it. If you have liked this video, please do give this video a big thumbs up. Take care. Love you all. Bye.